Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to destination for all things beauty and hair care. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises a stylish, comfortable, and versatile hair experience: the 30-inch chocolate brown deep wave lace front wig. Let's take a closer look at what this wig brings to the table. This wig is made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, which is a major plus for anyone looking for a natural, healthy, and long-lasting hair option. It comes in a beautiful 4-number chocolate brown color, designed with a deep wave pattern that offers that gorgeous, bouncy texture we all crave. The wig features a 13x6 Swiss transparent lace frontal that's designed to blend seamlessly with your skin tone, giving it a natural, flawless look. With a 200% density, this wig provides plenty of volume, and its pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs make styling easier, even if you're not a pro. The flexibility of this wig is one of its standout features. Whether you want to wear it with a middle part, side part, or style it into a ponytail or bun, it can handle whatever you throw at it. Plus, it's versatile enough to be restyled, dyed, permed, or straightened without losing its integrity. Now, let's get into the real-world experience of using this wig. Setting it up was a breeze, thanks to the adjustable straps and 4 combs that ensure a secure and comfortable fit. It fits most head sizes, 21.5 to 22.5 inches, so you won't have to worry about an uncomfortable or loose fit. When I first put it on, I noticed just how soft and light it felt. No heaviness or discomfort at all. The hair doesn't have that wiggy look either. It has a natural flow and movement, which is what you want for an everyday look. When it comes to wearability, this wig excels. I wore it through a busy day, including some outdoor activities, and it held up well. No tangling, no shedding, and still looked great after hours of wear. However, I did notice that the deep wave pattern may require some maintenance to keep it looking its best, as it can lose a bit of shape after washing, so you'll need to restyle or refresh it from time to time. Let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros include the quality of the hair. This is real, virgin Brazilian hair, which is always a win. The natural color and deep wave texture are stunning, and the 13x6 lace frontal really helps to create a natural, seamless look. The fact that it's pre-plucked and has baby hairs adds to the overall realism. Plus, the versatility and styling options means you can switch things up depending on your mood or occasion. On the flip side, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the wig is generally tangle-free, the texture does require maintenance to keep the waves defined and fresh. Also, the lace, while transparent, may not blend perfectly with all skin tones. It's designed to be universal, but some users with darker skin tones might need to use makeup or a lace tint to ensure a flawless blend. So is this wig worth the price? In terms of quality, it certainly holds up. You're getting 100% virgin human hair, and the styling options are endless. It's on the higher end of the price spectrum for a lace front, but considering the quality of the material, the versatility, and how comfortable it is, I'd say it's a solid investment if you're looking for a high-quality, realistic wig that can handle various looks. When it comes to alternatives, you might find some synthetic wigs that are cheaper, but they won't give you the same natural look or styling options that this human hair wig provides. If you're looking for something more affordable, but still want that deep wave texture, synthetic options may work, but they won't match the overall quality and longevity of this piece. In terms of build quality, the materials used are top-notch. The lace is fine and soft, and the construction feels durable. As for longevity, the lack of shedding and tangling over time speaks to its quality. But since I haven't had it for long enough to test its long-term durability, that's something to keep in mind. As for customer support, I haven't personally reached out to the company, but based on the brand's reputation for high-quality wigs, it seems that they're reliable and responsive if you do have any issues. Overall, if you're looking for a premium, versatile, and comfortable wig that can be styled in multiple ways, the 30-inch chocolate brown deep wave lace front wig might be the right choice for you. It's perfect for special occasions, daily wear, or even just to switch up your look. While it may require some maintenance, the quality and natural appearance make it worth considering. Is this review useful to you? If so, like, subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell icon so other wig enthusiasts can find this review too. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or already own this wig, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You'll find the link to purchase it in the description box. Until next time, remember to always keep it beautiful, keep it chic, and keep it beautyistic.